We'd like to introduce you to the new upgrades of the Wonder Junior Deluxe Grain Mill that give you more convenience and better coarseness and consistency control. You get the regular auger, plus you get the Moss auger with an easy interchangeable pull pin, a locking adjustment knob system, and lock-in-place milling heads, giving you full control over the grind of your flour. The grain auger and Moss auger are easy to interchange with the easy-to-remove pull pin. Simply remove the handle, pull the pull pin, remove the washer, remove the Moss auger, insert the grain auger, add the washer, insert the pull pin, and install the handle. This makes it super easy and fast to interchange between the grain auger and the Moss auger. The lock-in-place milling heads bolt securely to the face of the mill, keeping it secure during milling. Simply line up the two bolts with the top holes of the mill. Add the washer and nut to the back of both sides. Finger tight is sufficient. Do not over-tighten with a wrench. Now you can mount the outer milling head. Add the washer first. Then add the larger adjustment knob part with the protrusion side facing the mill. Adjust to desired tightness. Now add the smaller adjustment knob part with the protrusion facing the mill. Hold the larger knob in place and tighten the smaller knob to lock in place. This system allows you to set the coarseness and lock it into place, giving you full control over the coarseness and consistency of your grind.